Hail the newborn King of Kings. Heaven's joy to earth he brings. Veiled in flesh yet Lord of all. In a humble manger stall, peace proclaimed to every land, grace revealed by God's own hand. Come behold the holy birth, hope of heaven, light of earth.
Hail the newborn King of Kings. Glory now to God we sing. Heaven bows and earth adores Christ the Lord forevermore.
Long foretold by prophet's voice, hearts now lift and souls rejoice. Angels fill the silent skies, songs of endless praise arise. Love divine now born in time, truth and mercy here entwined. Come, O faithful, rise and see God with us, Emmanuel be.
Hail the newborn King of Kings. Glory now to God we sing. Heaven bows and earth adores Christ the Lord forevermore.
Lowly child yet crowned with might, Prince of peace and world's true light. From the cradle to the cross, he redeems the fallen lost. All creation lifts one voice, in his saving work rejoice. Come, let every heart proclaim Jesus Christ, his holy name.
Hail the newborn King of Kings.